intensive 24 to 28-week program is designed to master the foundations of modern computing using C, C++, Python, and Java, preparing you for high-demand developer roles in top tech companies. This course is your pathway to becoming a top-tier developer in India. You will gain strong computer science foundations, build production-grade projects, and achieve interview readiness for major tech companies. India's IT/BPM sector is a primary engine of economic growth, with the industry projected to reach $350 billion by 2026. This growth is driven by policy drivers like the India AI Mission and the Digital India Stack. The curriculum roadmap includes 4 core tracks: C programming, C++ programming, Python, and Java. The total duration is 24 to 28 weeks, featuring over 300 hours of instruction and hands-on practice. Track 01 focuses on C programming, mastering system foundations like low-level memory management and system architecture. Modules cover pointers, memory, structures, and file I/O, emphasizing efficient and secure C code. Applied learning in C includes hands-on projects like building an IoT sensor data logger and developing a command line file compression tool. A case study highlights optimizing automotive ECU firmware. Upon completion of the C track, you will achieve memory mastery, successfully implement data structures, and understand core systems concepts. You will transform into a systems programmer ready for embedded and systems roles. C programming remains in stable demand in India, particularly for embedded and system programmer roles. Entry-level salaries range from 4 to 6 lakh rupees per annum, with top recruiters including Bosch and Intel. Hear from successful alumni like Raju Kumar, who achieved a 240% hike by moving from testing to an embedded engineer role at Bosch India, and Gayatri Sharma, who secured a system engineering role at Intel India. Track 02 introduces C++ programming for modern high-performance computing. You will master object-oriented programming, the standard template library, and modern C++ features for zero-overhead abstraction. After completing C++, you will master OOP, STL, and C++20 features. You will transform into a modern C++ architect, ready for high-frequency trading, gaming, and advanced systems roles. Our program delivers measurable outcomes. Over 2,500 students have been certified, achieving an average salary hike of 75%. 82% of learners successfully transition careers within 6 months. Our C++ alumni, like Arjun Mehta, secured an engine programmer role at Ubisoft India with a 180% hike. Sneha Kapoor moved into a quant dev role at Goldman Sachs, highlighting breakthrough career transitions. Track 03 focuses on Python programming for data science and automation. Modules cover core fundamentals, OOP, data analysis with NumPy and Pandas, and an introduction to AI/ML. The core Python curriculum includes fundamentals, data structures, functions, OOP, and automation scripting. This track offers 2 certificates, including the IBM Professional Certificate. The Advanced Specialization, Python for Data Analysis, covers NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and machine learning basics. This track extends the duration to 12 to 16 weeks and offers a quad certificate bundle. Python Applied Learning includes projects like a web scraper, a microservices API, and an ML predictor model. A capstone case study focuses on building a stock market analytics engine. Python demand shows high growth, driving AI, data science, and web innovation in India. Senior AI engineers can command salaries over 40 lakh rupees per annum, with top recruiters including Flipkart and Google. Choose your specialization with the Python certification roadmap. Track 01 offers the programming foundation, while Track 02 for data analysis provides an advanced path with more certificates, including an IIT certification. Compare the 2 Python tracks, Track 01 for core development and Track 02, the popular choice for data science careers. Track 02 offers higher earning potential and the exclusive IIT certification. Python projects bridge theory and application, from an e-commerce price tracker to a customer sentiment AI model. A case study highlights Zomato's use of AI for delivery optimization in challenging Indian traffic conditions. The Python Growth Roadmap outlines your progression from foundation to expert, covering topics like scripting, pandas, web frameworks, and machine learning. Real career pivots include transitions from mechanical engineering to data analyst. Python career opportunities show 28% year-over-year growth. Track 2 data and AI roles command higher compensation, with data scientists earning up to 30 lakh rupees per annum. Python alumni success stories include Karthik Nair, who achieved a 150% hike by moving from manual testing to an automation engineer role at Accenture, and Anjali Gupta, who secured a back-end dev role at Zomato. Track 04 covers Java programming for enterprise development, focusing on building scalable and secure applications with the Spring Boot framework. Modules include core Java, microservices architecture, and security. The Java certification roadmap features 2 tracks. Track 01 focuses on core Java, while Track 02, the recommended path, includes generative AI integration, offering a total of 10 certificates. The core Java curriculum includes fundamentals, control structures, methods, arrays, and advanced OOP principles. Completion of this track ensures strong core Java proficiency and mastery of OOP. The Advanced Java Developer with Generative AI track spans 20 to 24 weeks. It includes specialized courses on the Spring Framework, enterprise databases, cloud-native fundamentals, and generative AI for Java. Java is essential for enterprise applications and fintech. Demand in India is high, with roles like Java developer and back-end engineer showing high growth. Salaries for senior architects can exceed 40 lakh rupees per annum, with a premium for cloud and microservices skills. Track 04 alumni success stories highlight major career leaps, such as the transition from manual tester to Java developer at TCS Digital, achieving a 180% salary hike. Another alumnus moved from civil engineer to software engineer at Wipro. The Gen AI track success stories showcase significant growth. An alumnus moved from senior developer to AI architect at Google India with a 210% growth. Another secured a principal engineer role at Goldman Sachs with a massive package hike. The Java career market shows 14.5% year-over-year growth. Track 2, focusing on Java plus generative AI, commands premium compensation. Key hiring hubs in India include Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune, with high demand across major cities. The growth roadmap details your journey from core Java to Gen AI expert. Key phases include mastering Spring, cloud native, and generative AI integration, which facilitates career transitions to back-end engineer or AI Java developer. Master the future of programming with our globally recognized dual certification program, designed by IBM and IIT Patna experts. Benefit from placement support, hands-on labs, and expert mentorship. Enroll now to secure your spot.